really want it to be Wani. I really want it to be Wani.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.
Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. My name is Antonio. I'm a K-pop fan, and today we are going to be unboxing 10 Enhypen albums. Now this is their newest album, Dark Blood. This is the Engine version, so this is the member-specific version. If you want to see the other 3 versions, I'll link that video somewhere up here. I forget which side it would go on, but you can check that video out. But this one's going to be only focusing on the Engine version. In a perfect world, this pile contains all 7 member versions plus 3 duplicates, but I just know that's not how it's gonna be. I can sense that I'm gonna get multiple duplicates here. So if I can get about 4 or 5 different versions, I would be happy with that. So sometimes the question comes up, Antonio, what do you do with your duplicate albums? What do you do with your duplicate photo cards? And the answer is, I save them up and then I bring them to K-pop concerts and give them away as freebies to fans that might not be able to buy them on their own. And it's nice because you're making someone's day and then the product isn't just going to waste. So maybe someone watching this video will get a duplicate Enhypen album. Who knows? All right, without further ado, let's open these bad boys. All right, album number 1, here we go. Oh, and we got Hee-sung. Yes. This album is gorgeous. There we go. Okay. On to number 2. Okay. The second one is gonna be... Yes! Yes, yes, yes! The second one is gonna be Jake. I think his might be my favorite. Like, who isn't a little bias wrecked by Jake every now and then, you know? Okay, now we're on to the third one. we got already a duplicate of Jake. I knew that was gonna happen eventually. All right, here are the inclusives for the Jake duplicate. Okay, we're on to album number 4 now. Okay, and the 4th one's gonna be, watch it be Jake again. It's gonna be Jake again. It's Nikki! Oh my god, yes! These are gonna look so cool as a complete set. Okay, here we go, number 5. I sense this one's a duplicate. It's gonna be a duplicate, I know it. It's Jake again! Okay. Jake definitely packed my order a target for sure. All right, here are the inclusives for the third Jake album. So that's number 5. Do you like Jake? Oh, he's okay. You know, I like him a little bit, you know, not too much. Okay, this is gonna be album number 6. So far we have 3 Jakes, 1 Heesung, and 1 Nicki. So if I could get 2 new ones, like 2 other members, I would be fine with the rest being duplicates. Okay, and this one is Jay. Yes! Yes! Wow, his side profile is crazy. Damn. All right, this is gonna be album number 7. Come on. Give me a new member. It's gonna be Jake again, I just know it. It's gonna be Jake. It's always Jake. It's Jay. Okay, so now we have a duplicate of Jay. Okay, perfect. All right, here's what was inside the duplicate Jay album. Actually, it was just a duplicate of everything. Okay, we have album number 8. I think it's gonna be Jay again, but I really, really want it to be Wani. I really want it to be Wani. I'm so good at this, like I sensed it. I sensed it, you saw that? Guys, I'm stressed. We only have 2 more and I'm still missing Sunghoon and Sunwoo. Oh man. I have 5 members though. That's better than I thought. I really do believe these 2 are gonna be duplicates. But here we go. So this is gonna be number 9. Oh, okay, at least it is a duplicate, but it's a duplicate of Wani, so it's okay. So I have to miss a member. There has to be a member missing. I think I got the same exact photo cards too. All right. Lucky album number 10. We made it. Honestly, it would be really funny if it were Jake again. I think it's gonna be Jungwon. It is. So honestly, I got 5 members. I'm happy with it. All right, here are all the photo cards. I am shocked and dismayed that I did not pull a single Sunghoon photo card, postcard, or anything. As you can see though, we have a lot of Wani duplicates. Actually, we have a lot of duplicates in general, so that would be cool to give away. Okay, it kind of sucks I didn't get Sun, but on the bright side, I have 2 duplicates of Jake, 1 duplicate of Jay, and 2 duplicates of Jungwon that are perfect to give out. And my goal was to get 5 different members, which I did get, so I'm happy with it. But seriously, if you guys liked the video, consider liking, consider commenting, consider subscribing. Helps me greatly, and I'll see you on the next video, okay? Bye. Family photo. Here we go.